Yeah, very good afternoon. We have Lucky, Priyam Soni, Rishabh Goyal, Shubhang, Surbhi Singhal, Vikramaditya and Yashashvi in the class now. So let us just go with the presentation, what we will be seeing today. So we were discussing about the Indian Contract Act, and we have already covered our special types of contract, which includes your agency, bailment, pledge, uh, indemnity and guarantee. So today we will be taking up the portions from the two things, which is one is your discharge of contract and another one is the performance of contract. So we'll be taking first the performance of the contract, and you will find it very, very good and very, very simple. So try to interact and try to just tell what is there, and try to answer the questions as much as possible whenever it is asked, or otherwise try to raise your hands. So that will give you an opportunity to speak in the class. Hardly matters whether the things are correct or not or whatsoever. Okay, so try to do that. Okay. So first most question is to be taken up by Dhananjay Singh Sareen. Yes, Dhananjay. Dhananjay. Dhananjay Sareen. Yes. Priyam Soni, can you read this out?
Yes, sir, of course.
Yeah. It's a very, very simple question.
सर बस पढ़ना ही है, आंसर भी देना है.
अरे पढ़ना है तो आंसर तो देना ही है.
अच्छा सर.
हाँ.
A contracts to deliver to A contracts to deliver to B at his warehouse on the first match 2011 100 bales of cotton of a particular quality. In order to make valid tender, what A should do?
Yes.
सर ये मैं पास कर सकता हूँ क्या?
क्या चीज? कैसे?
मतलब अपने दोस्त को मैंने जो क्वेश्चन पढ़ा वो आंसर दे दे.
हाँ हाँ करो, लेकिन
हाँ.
पहली बार में आंसर होना चाहिए.
अच्छा.
हाँ, तो ऐसे दोस्त को पकड़ना जो पहली बार में आंसर दे दे, नहीं तो वापस तुम्हारे पे आ जाएगा.
अच्छा.
कैरी
सर
ऑन.
तनीश दे देगा.
या तनीश अग्रवाल, question from your friend, question from your friend Priyam to you. तनिष अग्रवाल. अभी मुझे लगता है तनिष को मुझे क्लास के बाहर निकालना पड़ेगा. तनिष अग्रवाल, बेटा ये तो गड़बड़ हो गई. हाँ प्रियम.
यस सर.
क्वेश्चन कम्स बैक टू यू. बहुत सिंपल सा क्वेश्चन है
यस
भाई.
सर. सर
एक हाँ
ऋषभ.
हाँ ऋषभ आंसर करोगे? यस ऋषभ.
Sir, I didn't get the question.
I will explain you. I think that's why Priyam is jumping the question to others. He's passing it on. बहुत
नहीं
सिंपल
नहीं सर,
क्वेश्चन
मैं
है.
ये देख रहा हूँ कि सबको सीखने का मौका मिले. मैंने पढ़ दिया, अब आंसर वो दे देंगे तो सबको मौका मिलेगा.
बहुत बढ़िया. यू आर वेरी डिप्लोमेटिक. एनीवेज, मतलब कोई बात नहीं. Just see, let me just make everyone of you explain what is. This is a very basic and very good question. That A has contracted to B to deliver 100 bales of cotton of a particular quantity, right? On 1st March 2011 at his warehouse. अरे भाई answer is in the question यार. In order to make the valid tender, what A has to do? A has to do what is being said. समझे? ये देखो बहुत सिंपल है ये. Tender should be valid when it is at a proper place, the whole obligation, the proper time and unconditional. In the given case, the tender by A will be valid when A delivers 100 bales of cotton, A delivers it at the warehouse of B, and A delivers it on or before 1st March 2011. यही तो बोला था. क्या समझे? हाँ जी राघव,
Yes, sir.
तो बहुत सिंपल था यार, नहीं? चलो नेक्स्ट नेक्स्ट देखते हैं. यस राघव, जस्ट रीड दिस. यस राघव, read this.
A entered into contract with B to deliver certain goods to B. A offered the goods to B at proper time and place, but B refused to accept the goods. In this case, what are the rights of available to both
Rights
parties?
available to both the parties. वो ऑफ गलत लगा हुआ है.
As per Contract Act 1872.
यस, क्या होगा इसका? What is the remedy available? Both the parties. अब A ने गुड्स ऑफर किए लेकिन B ने मना कर दिया. So what A can do?
Sir, A can sell goods to another
Yes.
person.
Yes, Raghav, you want to say?
Yes, sir. A can just sell goods to another party or just give an offer to B. ऐसा कोई ऑफर जो B मना ना कर पाए जिसके लिए.
वो तो एक ही हो सकता है, फ्री में ले ले भाई.
हाँ, आप बोल दो.
नहीं मतलब
और भी हो सकते हैं सर.
नहीं ऐसे नहीं यार राघव, इस तरह से नहीं. उसको ये बोलो कि हो सकता है वो, उसको काउंटर ऑफर बोलते हैं बेटा. टेक्निकल लैंग्वेज में इसको अपन काउंटर ऑफर बोलते हैं कि भैया चल अब तेरे को मना कर रहा है तो चल अब तेरे को मैं थोड़े कम रेट में दे देता हूँ, है ना. सो दिस इज अ काउंटर ऑफर विच अगेन इट कैन बी एक्सेप्टेड. और अदरवाइज वो उसके ऊपर केस भी कर सकता है बिकॉज दे हैव ऑलरेडी कॉन्ट्रैक्टेड इट फॉर. नाउ A has refused na, so A can file a suit against. Yes.
Sir, according to the performance of a contract, it is a duty of a seller to deliver the goods and the buyer to accept and pay for it.
Yes, Dipti, definitely it's a duty. That's why either now it totally depends on that how the person who is offering the goods, who is the offerer, how he takes it up. Either what he will do, he will take his goods back and do nothing. It's at his discretion. Or otherwise, if he will be like Dipti, then Dipti will file a suit against him that you have to take it up. You have told me that you have a and this is now your duty to take it up because you have told me you have entered into a contract. Or otherwise, it will be a breach of contract. Will sue for you for the breach of contract. Am I correct, Dipti? Dipti
Yes,
होगी तो छोड़ेगी नहीं, है ना Dipti?
Yes, sir.
Very good. तभी तो लॉ पढ़ा रहा हूँ तुमको मैं. अपने राइट्स और अपने जो लाइबिलिटीज हैं दोनों का ध्यान रखना है बराबर, ताकि अपन फंसे नहीं और कोई अपने साथ गलत करे तो उसको छोड़ना नहीं. ओके. और कहीं भी किसी और के साथ गलत होते हुए भी देखो ना तो भी इंटरफेयर करो. ओके, बी ब्रेव एंड you all are. Yeah. Yes, Rishabh and Raghav, got it? चलो ये देखो, दीप्ति जरा जोर से पढ़ना है इसको.
Right of A, he can recover the price of goods or damage as he had made valid attempt to perform the promise, but it is wrongfully refused by B. B does not have any rights as he is a wrongdoer. However, he can visit at the place of A and take delivery of goods before the contract is cancelled by A.
Fine. Okay, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Lucky Chaudhary. Lucky.
Yes, sir.
Lucky, jara read this question and you have to answer this. Very simple it is.
1 मिनट सर लोड हो जाए पहले.
हाँ कोई बात नहीं, टेक योर टाइम. या
और वो जगह पूछ.
हाँ सर. अब
हाँ बेटा बोलो.
promise to paint a picture for B. A dies before painting picture. Painting picture can be asked legal representative for of A to paint picture as per the contract. What is correct legal position here?
हाँ जी बताओ
सही है सर,
क्या
क्या नहीं?
पेमेंट नहीं करना
सही है तो
नहीं क्या सही क्या है
सही है, वैलिड है ये बी लिए, मतलब ये कर सकता है, मैं क्या बोलते हैं।
ये पिक्चर बनाने का काम जो है वो तो केवल ए को जानता था। अब जो ए का जो लीगल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव उसका बेटा उसको थोड़ी आता है पिक्चर बनाना।
सर ये अकेला थोड़ी ना बनाएगा, उसके साथ भी तो कोई होगा।
ना 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 ये अकेला ही बना रहा है, यहाँ पे तो कुछ लिखा नहीं है ना। तो ए के पास में ब्रश और पेंट ए के पास में ही है, तो वो अकेला ही पिक्चर तो अकेले ही बनती है यार। पिक्चर इन द सेंस वो मूवी नहीं बनानी है, एक पोर्ट्रेट
तो
बनाना
सर
है, पोर्ट्रेट बनाना है बेटा। दीप्ति वेट या बेटा ये पर्सनल नेचर का कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है, ठीक है।
हाँ सर।
हाँ लकी अगर कोई किसी भी तरह का काम जो पर्सनल नेचर का होता है ना, जैसे पिक्चर
हाँ।
फिर पेंट करना है ना, या फिर गाना गाना किसी के लिए, कोई भी आर्टिस्टिक वर्क अगर अपन किसी एक को कहते हैं तो वो आर्टिस्टिक वर्क हो सकता है, दूसरा नहीं कर सकता हो। गेटिंग और नॉट गेटिंग? सो ऐसे में कुछ होता है तो वो कॉन्ट्रैक्ट वॉइड हो जाता है।
Sir, what if A's representative doesn't know how to paint?
That's what the thing is. That's what I am saying, Lucky, is that a representative do not know how to paint. So this contract will be void. Yeah, Dipti, how will you answer this?
Sir, what about the successor or a legal hire of the painter?
Yeah, he doesn't know how to paint, no?
Okay,
so what will happen to this? What will happen to this? Because A has died and there was a contract. And if A has taken some advance, the legal hire is bound to just repay it back. Number one.
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Secondly, now you cannot compel A's hire to just draw a picture for him, right? Because it's a contract of personal nature.
Yes,
so
sir.
it will become void then, right?
Yes,
Lucky, Lucky ये पढ़ो जरा।
हाँ सर।
बेटा इसको पढ़ो।
सही है तो पहले वाला ही क्यों सर?
नहीं बेटा उसका एनालिसिस है, उसका आंसर है, देखो पढ़ो।
नहीं शो ही नहीं हो रहा अभी तक।
अच्छा आ जाएगा, अभी आ जाएगा। आया
ना सर अभी तक नहीं है सर। यहाँ पे क्या है कि 2-3 दिनों से थोड़ा नेटवर्क की इशू चल रहा है, कल भी आपको बोला था।
कोई बात नहीं। मानसी यू रीड इट आउट। मानसी, दीप्ति आप पढ़ लो बेटा।
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
मानसी रीड दिस आउट।
Okay. We can't ask legal because painting of picture is personal skill. Contract which is based upon the personal skill discharges on death of promisor.
Got it? Mansi, you are asking this, na? So this is
Yes, sir, I got it.
This is discharge. Yeah. Chalo. Yes, Dipti, this is you.
A owes rupees 60,000 to B. Before clearing his liability, A dies, leaving behind an estate worth rupees 40,000. In this case, A's legal representative are liable for what amount? Explain the rules in this regard.
Batao. What will happen?
Sir, as A owes rupees 60,000, so I think the legal hire or the successor should pay B 60,000.
But the estate is only having 40,000. The estate which he has left is worth only 40,000. Do you want a legal hire to pay from the pocket?
Sir, he will have to, because it's according to the agreement. They like A owes him, so the legal hire will have to pay.
Okay.
And therefore, sir, legal hire cannot refuse.
Anyone else?
Sir, what I would say is that A's legal representatives, they have to pay the 40,000, the amount as like
So what about
1 minute.
rest 20,000?
Yeah.
What will happen?
Sir, what do you mean by A dies leaving behind an estate worth rupees 40,000? मतलब
Estate
it says
means
that
properties.
60 में से 20 already पे हो गया है.
नहीं पे नहीं हुआ है. 60,000 का लोन लिया था, लेकिन आप ये समझ लीजिए कि 40,000 का कोई मकान या कुछ भी छोड़ गया होगा, मतलब मरने के बाद में अपने लीगल हायर के लिए, अपने बेटे के लिए. आया समझ में? नहीं आया?
40,000 का जो भी छोड़ गया है वो सारी आ जाएंगे. हाँ सर, आ गया. रेस्ट 20,000 उसको कैश में मिलना चाहिए.
कैश कहाँ से लाएगा? वो है ही टोटल जो स्टेट है वो 40,000 का है. स्टेट एक्चुअली कंप्राइज ऑफ ऑल कैश वैश वगैरह सब मिला के 40,000 रुपए हैं उसके पास में. उसमें वो हो सकता है 30,000 का मकान हो, 10,000 का बैंक बैलेंस हो, समथिंग लाइक दैट. जो उसका बेटा है ना उसके पास में.
ओके.
लोन 60,000 का क्या होगा?
हाँ सर, तो वो लोन लेके वापस मतलब 2-4 साल में दे देगा ना पैसे, और क्या ऑप्शन है? 20,000 देने तो है.
Okay. What else? Yeah, anyone else? Dipti? Yeah, Raghav?
Yes, sir.
रूल होता है क्या? गिव और समथिंग.
क्या होगा इस केस?
कुछ ऐसा रूल होता हो तो.
बेटा तुमको बहुत ध्यान से पढ़ने की जरूरत है लॉ जैसा सब्जेक्ट, और सबसे अच्छी बात है कि तुम इसमें काफी इंटरेस्ट ले रही हो और तुम्हें अच्छा भी लगेगा. बट मेरे लेक्चर्स ध्यान से सुनना जो रिकॉर्डेड वाले हैं. ओके. यस, मिहिर अग्रवाल.
यस सर. ओके.
मिहिर अग्रवाल. मिहिर अग्रवाल, मैं क्लास के बाहर निकाल दूंगा मिहिर अब तुमको. रिमूव्ड. ऋतिक यादव. यस. ऋषभ, व्हाट विल हैपन? ऋषभ गोयल.
यस सर.
हाँ बेटा, क्या होगा इसमें? तुम लोग सब भूल गए यार, मैंने पढ़ाया था जो. देखो, चलो पढ़ो जोर से ऋषभ.
On the death of person who has entered into contract, his legal hire is liable for the liability up to value of assets he is received from his successor. Here in the given case, B's hire received rupees 40,000 from B on death. Therefore, he is liable to the extent of rupees 40,000.
So 20,000 will be a bad debts, right? So A will not be able to recover rest of the 20,000 because it is not possible.
सर, तो मैंने भी तो वही बोला था कि
तुमने कहा था
वो माफ
60,000
कर देगा.
20,000 कैश में आ जाएगा, तुमने ये बोला था.
हाँ सर, पर फिर जब आपने मुझे समझाया कि कैश होगा कहाँ से जब 40,000 टोटल है, तो मैंने बोला ना कि कोई ऐसा रूल होता है जहाँ वो माफ कर सकता है समथिंग.
माफ नहीं करेगा, वो बेड डेट्स हो जाएगा. माफ करना तो फॉरगो हो जाता है. अब वो चाहे तो भी रिकवर नहीं कर सकता, वो फाइल शूट कभी कर ले, कुछ नहीं होगा. माफ नहीं करता है कोई भी पैसा. वो अपनी तरफ से पूरी कोशिश करते हैं रिकवर करने की. माफ कभी कोई नहीं करता है. ये बेड डेट्स होगा, उसको झेलना पड़ेगा. माफी तो हो जाती है कि फॉरगो कर देना, है ना. माफी नहीं होती बेटा इसमें. ठीक है मानसी? हेलो मानसी.
हाँ सर, आई एम लिसनिंग टू यू. आई अंडरस्टूड दैट.
गॉट इट. ओके, ग्रेट. चलिए. यस. Now who will take this question? A little bit calculative. Raghav, Priyam, you take it up. Priyam. Yashasvi. 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 Dhananjay. Arvind Vishnoi. Abhay Jain.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Arvind. क्या होगा इसमें? Read this out.
A, B, and C are the partners in a firm. They jointly promised to pay 1,50,000 to P. And C became the insolvent and his private assets are sufficient to pay 1/2 of his share debt.
1/2 नहीं है, 1/5 है. 1/2 नहीं है बेटा. आराम से पढ़ो, धीरे धीरे देख के पढ़ो क्या पढ़ रहे हो.
1/5 of his share debt. A is compelled to pay the whole amount to P. Examining the provision of Indian Contract Act, decide to extend to B, to which A recover the amount from B.
So how much amount will be recovered by A from B?
Sir, let me calculate. Sir.
हाँ करो.
Calculator.
Yeah, let me give you the hint. It's calculator की जरूरत ही नहीं, बहुत simple calculation है. Total 1,50,000 is to be paid to P. So each partner will pay 50,000 because no profit sharing ratio is given, right? So each partner is liable to pay rupees 50,000 to him. Now C has become insolvent and his estate could realize only 10,000. So out of 1,50,000, 10,000 is deducted because that is being paid in cash. So remaining 1,40,000 is to be divided equally by A and B. This is one way. Second way is that
Sir, 1 minute.
Yeah. मानसी, तुम्हारी आवाज बहुत कट रही है बेटा. तुमने पहले भी वो माफ बोला था ना, मुझे समझ में नहीं आया था.
इधर तो क्वेश्चन में
70,000 सर.
बट सर आपने बोला ना कि 10,000 कम होगा.
10,000 कम हो गया ना, क्योंकि उसने दे दिया है. तो टोटल जितना देना था, जो 1,50,000 था, उसमें से 10,000 हट जाएगा. तो 1,40,000. अब सी तो हो गया इंसॉल्वेंट, तो 1,40,000 दोनों ए और बी बराबर बांट लेंगे, तो 70,000 ईच आ जाता है. एक तो मेथड ये हो गया. दूसरा मेथड अपन इसको सॉल्व कर सकते हैं ऐसे कि 1,50,000 देना था, उसमें से सबको 50,000 हजार देना था. अब ए ने सारा का सारा अमाउंट दिया है. ओके, सो बी का 50,000 प्लस सी का इंसॉल्वेंसी का शेयर 20,000 और जो बी देगा ए को बाद में. So that can be claimed by A to B. Okay, so this is the answer. And Arvind, you have said very correctly that 70,000 can be recovered from B. Yeah, Arvind, can you read this loudly?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
In the given case, A, B, and C are the joint promisors. The joint liability is 1,50,000 towards P. But on the death or the insolvency of any one joint promisor, remaining promisor are liable to share the loss equally. Considering above rule, C when become insolvent, A and B are liable to pay the remaining amount. However, C's state contribute 1/5 of his debt. It means 10,000 remaining amount rupees 1,40,000 is paid by A and B, and as A has paid a whole amount, he can recover 70,000 from B.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, Mansi, you got this?
Yes, sir, I did.
Okay. So if you got that, then hope you will be able to do this question, Mansi. Read this loudly.
XYZ jointly borrowed rupees 50,000 from A. The whole amount was repaid to A by Y. Decide in the light of Indian Contract Act 1872 whether first, Y can recover the contribution from X and Z. Second, legal representatives of X are liable in case of death of X. And third, the contribution from the assets.
Yeah. So Mansi, your voice is breaking a lot anyways. So would you be able to solve this? First thing is, can Y recover the contribution from X and Z? The answer is yes, he can recover the contribution from X and Z because Y has actually paid the share and this is a joint borrowing, so they can be recovered. Secondly, the legal representative of X are liable in case of death of X. Yes, the legal representative will be liable only to the extent of the assets or to the extent of the estate which X has left after his death. Next is Y can recover assets in case Z becomes insolvent. Yes, it can be recovered, but only to the extent of the assets of Z. Right, so this is the answer to this. Okay, so see this, Abhay Jain. So this can be the thing which I have just now told you. Okay, is it okay, Arvind?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, Kashish Sharma. Kashish Sharma, Jayant Dwivedi. Jayant. Jayant Dwivedi. Jayant Dwivedi. Yes, Lucky Chaudhary. लक्की का हो गया, चलो छोड़ो. Mihir Agarwal. Mihir Agarwal.
Sir, 2250.
अरे रुक जा यार, अरे भाई मेरे खैर जा. नमन सिंह. नमन सिंह. Yes. ऋतिक यादव. यशस्वी. यशस्वी. विशाल चौधरी. तनिष अग्रवाल. Okay, Surbhi, you just tell this. Yes, Yashasvi, you have come back. Yashasvi, answer this. Surbhi.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Surbhi. Answer. Read this loudly and then answer it.
So which one?
ABC jointly promises to pay.
Sir, it's not visible. I don't know.
Because you are logged in to two devices, which are nearby only.
No, sir. Raghav is
That's
sitting
why
with
this.
me, that is why.
Yeah, that maybe. So if Raghav is sitting with you, then also there will be echo sound. So I can recognize that. Yeah, tell me, Surbhi.
Sir, both our screens are different, sir. I don't know what to read, which question.
So ABC jointly promises this one.
So it's showing different in both of us.
Raghav,
Sir,
you read it out.
Sir, I am on the 5th slide and Raghav's phone is in the 9th slide.
So 5th and 9th both are not the correct slide number. Raghav, you read it out. You refresh it or join it again.
Sir, I'll also join it again.
Fine. Yes, Yashasvi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, read this.
Is to pay D, the sum of rupees 6,000. C is compelled to pay the whole A is insolvent, but his assets are sufficient to pay 1/2 of his debts. What amount C can remove from B?
Recover from B,
Recover
not remove
from
from B.
B.
Yeah. Yes, SSV. It's just a very basic calculation. Can you do this? Though it has already been done. It is, yeah. Arvind has already done it, but it was wrong. Anyone else? Yes, Surbi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
सर 2500 सर रॉन्ग आंसर है.
2500 तुमने 2250 बोला था ना?
नहीं सर 2500 बोला सर आपको सर इको हुआ.
वो सही है, वो सही है.
हाँ सर.
बताओगे बेटा कैसे किया कैलकुलेशन बताओगे?
हाँ सर बता देते हैं सर.
हाँ तो बताओ.
सर जॉइंटली प्रॉमिस तो सर A, B and C सर 2000 सर पार्टनर्स का आया.
आराम से बोलो.
हाँ सर. सर A, B, C सर जॉइंटली प्रॉमिस है तो सर 2000 आया सर तीनों पार्टनर के इक्वल में.
बिल्कुल ठीक है. तीनों पार्टनर का इक्वल शेयर है 2000. ठीक है, चलो आगे.
सर A इंसॉल्वेंट हो गया सर. उसने सर आधा दे पाया, मतलब 50% दे पाया वो उसके डेट.
1000 रुपए दे पाए.
1000 रुपए दे दिए सर उसने. सर बाकी बचे सर B और C के सर 5000. तो सर दोनों में इक्वली डिवाइड करेंगे तो सर 2500 बचेगा ना सर.
बिल्कुल. सो एक बंदा दूसरे से 2500 रुपए रिकवर कर सकता है. जिसने पूरा पेमेंट किया वो आधा पेमेंट उससे ले लेगा. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, एक्सीलेंट. चलो यशस्वी.
यस सर.
क्या बेटा अगला क्वेश्चन देखो.
A hires B's ship to take in and convey from Calcutta to the
Yes. Yashasvi, you're not audible.
Sir, am I audible now?
Yeah, your network is very poor today.
Yes, sir, I'm facing network issue a lot today.
Yeah, Shubhang. Shubhang, are you there? Shubhang Mandania. Removing you, Shubhang. Yeah, Surbhi, now you're online and I hope you can see this. Surbhi?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, read this out.
A hires B's ship to take in and convey from Calcutta to the Mauritius a cargo to be provided by A. B receiving a certain freight for its conveyance. A does not provide any cargo for the ship. Advice on parties' right to claim damage.
Okay, so what will happen?
So let me think. Sir, basically they were to exchange.
No, nothing was to be exchanged actually. A had to give a cargo which was to be taken by B's ship from Calcutta to Mauritius. A refused to give the cargo after doing this contract. Now what will happen?
So he can file a case.
Who? B can file a case. B can file. A actually does not.
B can file a case, yes.
Yeah, read this.
A is at fault as he has not provided cargo to B, therefore he can recover damage from A. However, A has paid certain freight, so B will be entitled to get damage of the amount of loss as deducted by freight received.
Fine.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Yeah, Deepti. Deepti, are you there? Deepti. Deepti.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So read this.
A owes B totally rupees 25,000. He sends a check for rupees 10,000, stating that it shall be appropriated towards him first his first sum of rupees 10,000 he took from B, against which sum B shall appropriate it.
Now the rule is simple. Rule is that the money which is paid first, the return is appropriated towards the first paid money only. Okay, so it will be appropriated towards the first paid money only. Okay, appropriated means adjusted, because the first paid money will be having higher rate of interest. Okay, so first that will be appropriated and then only the other monies will be taken care of. Right, Deepti?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So yeah, next one. This is all done. So I am now just showing you the presentation for the performance discharge of the contract. This was all about the performance of the contract. Now we will go for discharge of the contract. Two, three cases we will take, not more. Yes. Yes. Lakshay Sharma. Lakshay Sharma, are you there? Mihir Agarwal. Lakshay, I am removing you. Mihir Agarwal. Mihir, you will be removed. Yes, Raghav. 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 Surabhi, tell Raghav to respond. Rishabh Goyal.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Rishabh, read this and answer this.
A music sorry. A musical hall was agreed to be let out on certain dates, but before those dates, the hall was destroyed by fire. What will be the status of contract?
Yes. It has been destroyed by fire. What will happen?
Sir, there is no parties over here. Like there is no A or B.
You can consider it that A is having a musical hall which is to be let out to B on certain date, but before that date the hall is destroyed. What are the status of the contract means what will happen to A and to B? Okay, it is not always necessary because sometimes it can be, read in one sentence itself, which makes sense. Yeah, tell me. Dipti, read this.
Contract will be discharged on the destruction of Hall when the subject matter of an contract is destroyed after the formation of contract but before its performance. Contracts is discharged on the ground of subsequent impossibility.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, so one more thing. Yeah. Who will answer this? Mansi? Is Mansi there? Yes, she might. Okay. Network issues. She might have left. Yeah, Rishabh Goyal. Sorry, Raghav Singhal. Raghav. Surbhi.
Yes, sir.
बेटा तुम्हारा ये कहाँ है? Where is gone? I think he's your brother.
Sir, he's gone now.
अच्छा चलो तुम बताओ.
He entered into a contract.
Who entered into a
For
contract?
supply of 100 marks.
I thought you were saying Raghav has entered into a contract. That's why he has gone.
No, sir.
Yeah, tell बेटा. तुमने पिछले वाला क्वेश्चन का आंसर और क्वेश्चन देख लिया था ना?
सर पिछले वाला कौन सा?
अभी जस्ट इससे पहले जो डिस्कस किया था वो.
हाँ जी.
चलो बताओ क्या होगा इसमें.
Sir, the contract will get cancelled because he did not manufacture it.
So this is a difference, Surbhi. Just see this. Just read this out. Now it is not a supervening impossibility, and C has maybe C might have intentionally not manufactured it because he might not be having a labor or there might be some COVID going on over there. But this is not a performance of the contract, right? Had this been a supervening impossibility, means some impossibility which has generated after entering into a contract, and that too just because of which is not under the control of the people. Okay, so A is not discharged from the performance of the contract by failure of C. A would have asked that if I can provide the cycles from somewhere else. So he should have provided the cycles from somewhere else. So as per the provision of what will happen over here, so A will file a suit against C and B will file suit against A. So A will receive compensation from C and B will receive compensation from A if it so happens. Or otherwise, what can be done is that he can supply some cycles from somewhere else also. So as per the provisions of the contract, third party's failure to perform the promise will not discharge the contract. Impossibility due to conduct of the third party is not a supervening impossibility. So in the given case, contract is between A and C, and C is a third party to contract. Now what will happen if A is not supplying? Then we can file a suit against him for the damages, for the whatever means. Okay, so this was all about your discharge of contract and performance of contract. So whatever questions we could have taken, we have taken all those. Okay, so let me just take the attendance and then afterwards we will depart for the day. Okay, and you might be having some quizzes also today. So our quiz is scheduled at 4 o'clock and link is given in your Teams. There also you can log in, or otherwise it is on your group also. From there also you can log in. But mind it, please log in through your official ID only, otherwise it will not accept. Fine. So let me take the attendance. Abhay Jain, Arvind Vishnoi, Dhananjay, Dipti, Divyanshi, Saurabh, Gaurav Sharma, Harsh Timani, Jaipal Singh, Kanish Bilochi, Kashish Sharma, Lucky Chaudhary, परिजा गुप्ता. परिजा अभी आई है अटेंडेंस लगवाने के लिए, कोई बात नहीं. राघव सिंघल, ऋषभ गोयल,
प्रेजेंट सर.
श्रेयांश जैन, सुरभि, Tanish Agarwal, Vishal Chaudhary, and Yashasvi.
Sir, Dipti present.
Oh yes, Dipti, you are present.
sir.
मैंने क्या नाम नहीं बोला तुम्हारा, गलती से हो गया होगा. Dipti is omnipresent. Every time you are there. No problem at all. Okay, guys. Take care. See you.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah. Thank you all. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.